Welcome to Vrindavan.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees, please accept my humble obeisances. All glory Srila Prabhupada. This is your Prahlad Bhaktadas again from ISK in Pondicherry, Puduvai Vrindavan Temple. As you all know, we devotees at ISK in Pondicherry, we are trying to bring Vrindavan to Pondicherry. We are making a beautiful 108 feet tall temple here in Pondicherry. Yeah, this is going to be the tallest temple in Pondicherry. As far as I know, it is the tallest temple including Tamil Nadu as well. This location is very nice. This is just located in front of the beautiful lake of Pondicherry called Usuteri. This is a beautiful scenic place where many birds originating from many countries, they come here every year. Just like Krishna appeared near Yamuna, our Krishna also appeared in front of lake. So at this juncture, we thank our landowner Bhakta Dinesh and Rajalakshmi Madam for donating this beautiful land. And we also thank Mr. Ramani Gandh of Ramtanga Maligai and Arjun Prabhu from Singapore for their significant contribution that motivated us to start this project. We have started this transcendental project on September 8, 2019 on the auspicious appearance of Radharani. By the mercy of Radharani, the project is going fantastically that until now, not even a single day the construction has been stopped. We have completed 2 stories and then we have moved our deities to this building on the auspicious Janmashtami day of 2020 in midst of the COVID crisis. After that, we have made all the boundaries and then we also have Goshala erected. After 2020 Janmashtami, we have put our efforts on bringing up the preaching. We have started everyday prasadam distribution. We are providing food for about 150 people every day on the road. And then we have also initiated Gokulam Goshala with 6 cows. 6 Gomatas are here. We're taking care of them. And we are doing a lot of online preachings as well. It's a 15 crore project with the overall construction area of 35,400 square feet. Out of this, we have already completed 8,500 square feet, which is almost 1/4 of that. Yeah, we have completed 25% of the project within just 2.5 years. In midst of the COVID crisis. It is all because of the costless mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Lord Sri Krishna, without whose power we can't achieve anything. And also with the kind guidance of His Grace Sundar Gopal Prabhu, the senior mentor of ISKM worldwide centers. Now the time has come to do the balance foundation. This is an existing building and the building is extending 114 feet from here. See the children, they are marking the boundaries. Yeah, the building is until here. After that, there will be a staircase and that will connect to the main road. On the mid of the staircase, there will be a Narasimha temple. Then after taking the darshan from Narasimha Dev, you can go up to the temple hall. You can see that rods are extended in this building and we have extended this 1 year back. So we have to make the temple on time and lap them with the newer structure. Otherwise, the building stability will collapse. So we have no time. We have to start now. The overall foundation area is 164 feet by 50 feet. Out of that, we have done 50 feet by 40 feet at the back portion of the building. Now the time has come to do the balance foundation. Now let us go a little technical. In the pile foundation, there are going to be 18 columns to be erected, which will be supported by 79 piles. Each pile will be penetrating the earth for 27 feet, that is about 8 meters. Big columns are supported by 6 piles, and medium sized columns supported by 3 piles, and the smallest one will be supported by 2 piles. Duration to complete the whole piling process is about 1 month. It means we are starting by the beginning of July first week, and we'll be finishing it by the end of July. After that we can take some time, and then we can go for the pile capping. Pile capping is about 5 feet in height. There will be stripe beams also. So in order to complete the piling process, we need about 50 lakh rupees. Overall cost of the foundation is 1 crore rupees, that is 135,000 US dollar. Out of that, we have already raised 30 lakh Indian rupees, which is about 40,000 US dollar. And we need to urgently raise about another 20 lakh Indian rupees, that is about 27,000 US dollars. That is within 2 weeks. Another 50 lakh rupees, that is about 68,000 US dollar, can be raised by the end of September 2021. Yeah, we have to do this at this time, otherwise the building stability will decrease. You can sponsor the special columns with 5 lakh Indian rupees, that is about 6,800 US dollars, and the big sized columns for 3 lakhs Indian rupees, that is about 4,000 US dollars. The medium size columns also can be sponsored with 2 lakh Indian rupees, that is about 2,700 US dollars, and the smallest columns will be 1 lakh Indian rupees, that is about 1,400 US dollars. All the donors will be getting the benefit of our life patterns. You can see the different benefits for different donations. Out of all this, the special mercy will be given by Lord Krishna. It is mentioned in the Puranas that anyone who is building a temple for Krishna here, Krishna is making a palace for you in the spiritual world. That is the costless mercy, because the whole thing belongs to Krishna. Out of love and affection, we are giving him back, right? This is a total understanding. It is not that we are giving him, it is his money we are giving for his pleasure. There is a proper understanding. So we request all of you to understand this and support this project. It is not that you have to give all the donations one shot. You can also pay it by little. For example, the foundation is starting by the beginning of July and it will finish by September end. And you can also divide it to different sections, and you can keep sending your donations until the end of September. You think about it, and it's a very good opportunity to make the foundation of Radha Krishna temple. Please be part of it. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Dear devotees, this is COVID time, so it is very difficult to approach the outside people now for any contribution. So we are begging to you to please Srila Prabhupada kindly support us for this foundation as much as possible. Thank you very much. Expecting your support. Prahlad Bhaktadas, ISKM Pondicherry, Puduvai Vrindavan Temple. Hare Krishna. Hari Bol.